welcome to Nexpa.
Well friends, tonight we are stopping in Manzanillo for the night. It was too long of a drive to push to Puerto Vallarta, so we are staying at the budget-friendly Costa Brava. Has air conditioning, a pool, basic room. It's all you need for the night. Here we are. And it's $42 a night. Canadian. The room? Kind of messy because, you know, we've unpacked already. Closet. And a very basic bathroom. Shower pressure is a little left to be desired, but hey, it works. Thanks folks. We'll see you tomorrow for a quick explore before we head back home to Puerto Vallarta.
Good morning, Adventure Gang.
Buenos dias.
Hey guys, this morning we are coming to you from Playa Advencia in Manzanillo, Colima. Yesterday we made the about 5.5 hour drive from Lázaro Cárdenas. And kind of just a quick stopover on our way back to Puerto Vallarta.
We have another 6-hour drive today, so we're just getting a little leg stretch before we caffeinate and hit the road.
Yeah, Manzanillo has a population of about 180,000 people, and it's kind of both a port city and a resort city. All right, guys, we'll catch you on the road. Hey guys, we have driven just over 5 hours back from Manzanillo, and we are back in Puerto Vallarta.
If you've been following us along this whole time, thank you very much. And if you haven't, why not? Go back to the beginning and start on our road trip with us.
We want to say a special big thank you to our friend and driver, Abraham.
Thank you.
It was an amazing trip. Thank you very much.
Thank you. My
Truly
pleasure.
an experience of our lifetime. Thank you.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Awesome. Alrighty.
All right, folks. We'll see you in the next one.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción para...